Stress-free parking. How hybrid RVs allow you to camp in places traditional RVs cannot access. One of the joys of RV camping is the freedom to explore and discover new destinations. However, traditional RVs often come with size limitations that can restrict your ability to park and camp in certain locations. This is where hybrid RVs shine, offering a unique advantage that allows you to venture into places that may be off-limits to larger motorhomes. In this article, we will explore how hybrid RVs enable stress-free parking and grant you access to scenic and secluded camping spots that traditional RVs cannot reach. 1. Compact size and lightweight construction. Hybrid RVs are designed with compactness and lightweight construction in mind. Unlike larger motorhomes, which can be cumbersome to maneuver and park, hybrid RVs offer a more streamlined and agile option. Their compact size and lightweight build make them easier to tow, navigate through tight spaces, and park in various locations. Whether it's a remote campground nestled in the mountains or a hidden spot by the lakeside, hybrid RVs allow you to reach these destinations with ease. 2. Improved maneuverability. Maneuvering a traditional RV through narrow roads, tight turns, or crowded campgrounds can be a stressful experience. Hybrid RVs, on the other hand, provide improved maneuverability. Their smaller size allows for better control, making it easier to navigate challenging terrains and navigate through tight spots. Whether you're driving through winding mountain roads or backing into a campsite with limited space, the compactness and agility of a hybrid RV can help you park with confidence and eliminate the stress often associated with larger RVs. 3. Access to remote and secluded campsites. Hybrid RVs are the perfect companion for those seeking remote and secluded camping experiences. Their compact size and off-road capabilities enable you to venture into places that larger RVs simply cannot reach. Whether it's a hidden forest campground, a tranquil beachfront site, or a remote wilderness area, hybrid RVs open up a world of possibilities for camping in peaceful and secluded locations. You can escape the crowds, connect with nature, and enjoy the serenity of off-the-beaten-path destinations. 4. Off-grid camping opportunities. If you're a fan of off-grid camping, where you disconnect from modern amenities and immerse yourself in nature, hybrid RVs offer the ideal solution. With their compact size and lightweight construction, these vehicles are better equipped to handle off-grid adventures. They can access remote boondocking sites where you can camp without hookups, relying on solar power, generators, or other alternative energy sources. Hybrid RVs allow you to experience the beauty of wilderness camping without compromising on comfort and convenience. 5. Versatile parking options. Hybrid RVs provide more parking versatility compared to their larger counterparts. With their compact size, you can take advantage of a wider range of parking options. You can easily fit into smaller campsites, park in tight urban areas, or even find overnight spots in unconventional locations. This flexibility gives you the freedom to explore various destinations and adapt to different camping scenarios, ensuring you always have a stress-free parking experience. 6. Accessibility to national and state parks. National and state parks are popular destinations for RV campers, but some parks have restrictions on vehicle size. Hybrid RVs, with their smaller footprint, often meet these size requirements, allowing you to camp within the confines of these beautiful natural treasures. You can explore iconic parks, hike scenic trails, and enjoy the breathtaking views while knowing that your hybrid RV is perfectly suited for the park's parking and camping guidelines. Hybrid RVs offer stress-free parking and the ability to access camping locations that may be challenging or inaccessible for traditional RVs. Their compact size, lightweight construction, improved maneuverability, and off-road capabilities open up a world of possibilities for exploring remote and secluded destinations. Whether you're seeking off-grid adventures, aiming to camp in national parks, or simply want the flexibility to park in various locations, a hybrid RV provides the perfect solution. Embrace the freedom to park with ease and embark on unforgettable camping experiences in places where traditional RVs cannot go. Camping is our happy place.